Suffer from acid reflux? Read these tips. Burning pain in your chest. Stomach bloating and discomfort. Nausea after meals. Burping which never seems to end. These are just some of the symptoms of acid reflux which can turn your life into a never-ending nightmare. Thankfully, the video below details how you can make the symptoms disappear for good. When eating, never lie down. It is important that you sit in a sturdy chair with good posture. Allow your stomach to be decompressed and your esophagus to be fully extended. As you eat, enjoy every bite of your food so that you eat slowly and chew fully, then you may avoid acid reflux afterward. You may need to balance out hydrochloric acid amounts in your body if you want to reduce acid reflux and its symptoms. You can do this, for instance, by using sea salt rather than table salt. Sea salt has chloride and minerals that are good for the stomach and prevent acid. You need to exercise if you have gout, but don't overdo it. Losing weight is a huge factor in controlling acid reflux, so go out for a run, play some soccer or go for a swim. That said, don't push your body too hard or you may find your gout becomes active. If you are experiencing acid reflux issues and you do not have an antacid on hand, you can use baking soda to alleviate the problem. You will start to feel relief within a few minutes of taking it. Put out the fire in your chest. Reduce your bloating. Stop the nausea for good. Use the tips and tricks you have watched here to change your life for the better. As long as you start your journey towards wellness today, you will have relief in a short matter of time. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.